Hi everyone, my name's Joel. I'm the director at NAmTrans, and I also work in the Economic Development Department at the North Country Chamber of Commerce. As part of our ongoing video series of how a bus is built right here in the North Country, today we're at Seifert Transit Graphics. This is the last stop on our journey. Seifert Transit Graphics specializes in wraps, details, decals, and other graphics for transit agencies and for transportation equipment manufacturers like Nova Bus. So when a bus rolls off the line at Nova, after it's painted, it looks something like this. And after the team here is done with it, it'll look something like this. Seifert Transit Graphics is family owned and operated and headquartered right here in New York State. As we mentioned earlier, they're installing all of these decals on these buses. I'm going to try my hand at one of them right now. So when a bus order comes in, they'll get blueprints. So that way the employees here know exactly what decals and where they go. So we've measured some out already. We've taped them up on the bus. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually install them. Wish me luck. What do you think?
Oh, just a little tiny.
I'm fired. I knew it would happen before the end of the day.
No, I thought it was.
Do I get one more shot? Can I try one more? Okay.